With the Mario Brothers and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. If your sink is in trouble, you can call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas and Troopers, the princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll be hooked on the brothers. To the bridge.
Well, at last, you two powder puffs did something right.
Here comes a whole squadron of King Koopa's Babamas. It's an avalanche. Let's get out of here.
We're trapped. Now how do we save Toad? A fire flower. If you can reach it, you can become a Super Mario.
I love when that happens.
For badness below and behind the call of cruelty, I, the devious King Koopa, bestow these medals of the double cross.
It's a baby birdo, Luigi, and it needs our help. It's frozen inside the ice.
Stand back.
Toad, are you all right?
I just passed my first flying lesson. Maybe if I take you back, she'll leave me alone.
Start climbing, paisano.
Koopa Troopa Pack, attack!
Hey, Super Mario, super cook that goose.
Put out that Super Plumber's fire!
Don't worry, Mario. We'll beat him without superpowers.
It's too late, Princess. They gotta surrender.
It's all over, scum scrubbers! Oh! Who threw that vegetable?
We did!
But I told her how you'd rescued a baby. She wanted to help.
Retreat! Retreat!
My favorite dish, spaghetti.
Spaghetti? We're not spaghetti. We're worms.
Worms?